Well, hi everybody, Mindy here, and I wanted to make a special announcement today because next Saturday, May 25th, I'm going to be doing a special webinar, seminar, whatever you want to call it, where I'm going to be answering absolutely any question that anyone has about the Forex market, how to make money in the Forex market, some information that most people don't realize about how Forex prices move and how you can capitalize on that. We're going to talk about leverage and the power of leverage and why it's so important to understand if you're going to be able to keep your accounts out of trouble. One of the things that I find is that I get a lot of emails every week from people who just say, you know, Mindy, I just don't get this Forex thing. I don't understand how you make money in Forex. And the reason is because they just don't understand how the Forex market works, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about those things, and I'm going to make myself available to answer absolutely every question that anybody has. And then I'm going to show you how I make money in the Forex market. I'm going to show you some EAs, which are essentially programmed trading applications that I have developed, and I'm going to show you how they make money in the Forex market for you. How's that? You can literally make money now in Forex and not even understand it. But that's not my goal. My goal is to make sure that you're making money in the Forex market, but you do understand it. Okay? Because it's so important. And Forex, honestly, has a reputation of being the most risky type of investment that you can make, right? Everybody will tell you that. You have to sign all the disclaimers saying that you understand that you're taking a risk when you trade Forex. But I developed a trading methodology that actually is very secure because you have complete control over how much money you are willing to invest in any trade that you make, right? So I have found over my Forex career that Forex is actually the safest investment that I've ever made. And it's because when traded properly, you have complete control over every single trade that you make. So I'm going to have a workshop next Saturday. I hope that you'll join me. Now, space is limited in this workshop because I will be using a GoToMeeting room, right? And there is a limited number of participants that can join this meeting. So if you want to sign up for it, go ahead and come to my website, www.mindyyost.com, and right up here in this green box right up at the top, there's an email me link right here. When you click on this link, it's going to send me an email, and all you have to do is say, Mindy, register me for your workshop next Saturday, and I'll do it. And I'll be sending out the link to participate probably on Thursday of this next week. Okay? The meeting is going to be at noon, and that's Central Time US. Okay? So if you live in New York, that would be 1 o'clock in the afternoon. If you live in California, that would be 10 o'clock in the morning, but it's going to be next Saturday. Now, the other thing too, if you want to attend this, you're going to have to actually show up because I am not going to provide a video replay of the workshop. Okay? It's going to be live or nothing. Okay? So please sign up and please block in your time for next Saturday for a couple of hours. I don't know how long the workshop will take. My guess is it'll be at least an hour, but depending on how many questions you have, I will keep this thing going until every question is answered. I'll talk about anything that you need to know about. I will help you sign up for a demo account with a broker so that you can practice trading, right? I will help you understand what's happening inside of the trading platforms so that you know how to actually use them if those are your questions. I'll answer anything that you want to know about, Forex, how it works, how you pick your trade size, how much money you should put in an account, how it all works, absolutely anything that you need to know. And that's going to be next Saturday, May 25th, 2019 at noon if you live in the middle of the United States. So if you live overseas, you're going to have to please check a time schedule and figure out what time this would be for you. But if you're in New York, again, that would be at 1 p.m. in the afternoon. If you live in California, it'd be 10 o'clock in the morning. People in the middle, lunchtime, noon. So try to structure your next Saturday events so that you can attend. But email me to register, okay? When the class is full, I'll take the message down and you won't be able to register. So that's how you'll know if there's still space available. Okay, so there you have it. That's all I wanted to talk about today. I hope I see everybody next Saturday at noon. I think you're gonna love it. Okay, bye for now.